Number 1, Sam went to an amusement park. From the main entrance, he used the algebraic representation. xy yields x minus 10, y plus 14 to walk to a ride. Which ride did Sam walk to? A, ride 1, B, ride 2, C, ride 3, D, ride 4. Number 2, quadrilateral ABCD was translated 4 units to the left and 2 units up. Which rule describes the translation that was applied to quadrilateral ABCD to create quadrilateral ABCD prime? F, xy yields negative 4x, 2y. G, xy yields x minus 4, y plus 2. H, xy yields 2x, negative 4y. J, xy yields x plus 2, y minus 4. Number 3. Look at the graph below. Which of the following rules correctly applies to the transformation? A, xy yields x, y minus 2. B, xy yields y negative x. C, xy yields x negative y. D, xy yields xy. Number 4. The graph models the linear relationship between the charge for a trip and the number of miles driven for 2 taxis. Based on the graph, which statement appears to be true? F. The charge for a trip with a distance of 5 miles is $5 greater for taxi 1 than for taxi 2. G. The charge for a trip with a distance of 5 miles is $5 less for taxi 1 than for taxi 2. H. The charge for a trip with a distance of 5 miles is $20 for both taxi 1 and taxi 2. J. The charge for a trip with a distance of 5 miles cannot be determined for either taxi 1 or taxi 2. Number 5. Madison has $35 saved for her beach trip. She can earn $9 an hour at the farm patch. Emily has $50 saved for her beach trip. She can earn $8 an hour babysitting. Which inequality best represents the number of hours worked when Madison will have more money than Finley? A, 35x plus 9 is less than 50x plus 8. B, 9x plus 35 is less than 8x plus 50. C, 35x plus 9 is greater than 50x plus 8. D, 35 plus 9x is greater than 50 plus 8x. Number 6. The pre-image MNOP has vertices M2, 1.5, N2, 4, O, 5, 4, P, 5, 1.5. A transformation is applied to create the image MNOP prime, which has vertices M prime 8, 6, N prime 8, 16, O prime 20, 16, P prime 26. Which rule represents this transformation? F, xy yields 1/4 x, 1/4 y. G, xy yields 4x, 1/4 y. H, xy yields 4x, 4y. J, xy yields x plus 4, y plus 4. Number 7. Which algebraic rule describes the dilation below with the origin as the center of dilation? A, xy yields 3x, 3y. B, xy yields 1/3 x, 1/3 y. C, xy yields x plus 3, y plus 3. D, xy yields 1x, 3y. Number 8. The vertices of a polygon are S negative 5, 9, T negative 1, 5, U negative 5, 4, V negative 5, 1, and W negative 9, 5. Polygon STUVW is reflected across the y-axis to create polygon STUVW prime. Which rule describes the transformation? F xy yields negative yx, g xy yields negative xy, h xy yields x negative y, j xy yields y negative x. Number 9. The graph represents the amounts Bob and Billy earn each hour mowing lawns. After how many hours will Bob and Billy earn the same amount? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 10. Triangle FGH is shown below. Triangle FGH is transformed using the rule xy yields x minus 3, y plus 6 to create triangle FGH prime. Which statement describes the location of triangle FGH prime? F. Triangle FGH prime is located 6 units to the left and 3 units below triangle FGH. G. Triangle FGH prime is located 3 units to the right and 6 units above the triangle FGH. H. Triangle FGH prime is located 6 units to the right and 3 units below triangle FGH. J. Triangle FGH prime is located 3 units to the left and 6 units above the triangle FGH. Number 11. Figure 1 was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create Figure 2. What rule best represents the dilation applied to Figure 1 to create Figure 2? A. 2x, 2y. B. x minus 2, y minus 2. C. 1/2 x, 1/2 y. D. x plus 2, y plus 2. Number 12. At Work It Out, a gym membership is $50 per month with no registration fee. At Get Fit, the registration fee is $100 and membership fee costs $30 per month. Which equation could be used to find the number of months, M, for which the total cost of both gyms is the same? Number 13. The 2 lines graphed on the coordinate grid each represent an equation. Which ordered pair represents a solution to both equations? A, negative 4, 0. B, negative 2, 1. C, 0, negative 4. D, 1, negative 2.